Our service offers real E911, but it has to be configured first using the My Locations tool from the sidebar. Select the number that represents this location and enter the legal street address and zip code. When you click Verify and Save, the data will be checked against the National 911 database in real time. This ensures your calls are properly routed to the closest public service access point. Next, you must specify which seats are located at this location. This is done by setting the caller ID using the My Seats tool for each phone physically located at this location. Simply put, as long as the caller ID defined in the My Seats tool matches a location that you've defined using the My Locations tool, emergency calls will complete normally. Please be sure to review our terms of service for information regarding emergency services and voice over IP. I'm Allison Smith, and this is IronVoice.